there were two big events over the weekend with the goal of connecting people with the COVID vaccine. But those events did not attract the numbers organizers were hoping for, Rafael.
Yeah, I went to both of these events and they were really well organized, Megan. Similar events really that have drawn much larger interest in the past in our city. And this may be a sign of the growing vaccination challenges that many public health officials are now seeing all across our country.
早，你好，欢迎来电 Indiana.
The multilingual registration hotline was meant to increase the number of people still not vaccinated. More languages were added, volunteers turned out, and the city did its part. Over 8 hours, about 50 people called in comparison to 800 in March. The low number may be a sign of the seriousness of the vaccine hesitancy that public health officials now confront as the city moves to ease up on COVID restrictions.
Indianapolis really is leading the country back to a sense of normalcy, but we still have a ways to go. And the truth is, as Dr. Kane can attest, we're still below 40% in terms of the total number of residents vaccinated. And I said in our briefing this past week, I'd like to be at 50% by July the 4th.
The Marion County Public Health Team also worked with a number of churches on the west side of Indianapolis to increase access to the vaccine. 200 people could be vaccinated at this Saturday pop-up clinic. 19 people showed up. They were also given a choice of a $10 gift card for getting their vaccine. Incentives may have to continue as people choose for a number of reasons to remain on the sidelines.
And so sometimes these incentives are being used for essential things that our citizens may really need. And so it's an additional tool for us in order, if I can take care of your essential need, then you may have more of a time and opportunity to take care of those vaccines as another priority for you.
So behind the scenes, public health officials and organizers tell me that they were really frustrated with the turnout this weekend, but they are also so committed to continuing to hold more of these events to make sure that more people get the vaccine. Lauren?